A pool is a great attraction in any home, but a green and dirty one is not so attractive. Fortunately, pool care doesn't need to be a hack, and Builders has a wide range of products and services to help you get it done. Chlorine is a very important part of your pool's routine maintenance. It keeps the water clean and safe for you to swim in. Without chlorine, algae and other bacteria would take over, turning your pool green. This HTH granular chlorine keeps bacteria and algae at bay. It has been formulated to be gentle on your skin. Chlorine is broken down by sunlight, so it's important to test your water every week and add it accordingly. You can use one of these test kits, test strips, or take your water sample to your local Builders for a free test. This will tell you everything you need to know to get your pool sparkling and clean. Guys, chlorine is only effective if your pH is correct, so make sure you test regularly. HTH comes in various sizes, depending on the size of your pool and your requirements. For various chlorine products, come down to your local Builders or visit the Builders website or follow us on our YouTube channel.